Senator John McCain was a military hero and a political powerhouse during his decades in Congress.
He was an inspiration to many, and people all across the country are now paying tribute to him. KCAL 9's Chrissy Pardo joins us tonight with the outpouring of emotions.
Peter and Suzanne, there are so many people who are remembering John McCain tonight that his death immediately started trending online. Tributes are pouring in from leaders and admirers on both sides of the aisle. People who are honoring McCain as a man who put his country above politics, even in these deeply divided times. His daughter Megan released a statement saying, in part, "I was with my father at his end as he was with me at my beginning. In the 33 years we shared together, he raised me, taught me, corrected me, comforted me, encouraged me, and supported me in all things. He loved me, and I loved him." His wife Cindy wrote, "My heart is broken. I am so lucky to have lived the adventure of loving this incredible man for 38 years. He passed the way he lived on his own terms, surrounded by the people he loved in the place he loved best." President Trump also tweeted tonight saying, "My deepest sympathies and respect go out to the family of Senator John McCain. Our hearts and prayers are with you." Former President Obama released a statement saying, in part, "Few of us have been tested the way John once was or required to show the kind of courage that he did, but all of us can aspire to the courage to put the greater good above our own." Longtime friend and former Vice President Joe Biden tweeted, "John McCain was many things, a proud graduate of the Naval Academy, a Senate colleague, a political opponent. But to me, more than anything, John was a friend. He will be missed dearly." Then there was this tweet from Senator Lindsey Graham. "America and freedom have lost one of her greatest champions, and I've lost one of my dearest friends and mentor." And there are many, many more tributes coming in by the minute, not just from politicians, but also from regular people he inspired who are taking to social media to honor his legacy tonight. Suzanne?